All I ever wanted was to be part of your heart, and for us to be together, never be apart. No one else in the world, like no one can compare. Baby, need to know you better, so the love we share. What we have is so much more than I ever thought we would. I love you more than you know, than I ever thought I could. I promise to give you my all and what I have to give. I'll do anything for you as long as I still live. In your eyes I see the present, future and the past. And by the way you look at me, our love will always last. And I hope just someday you will come to realize how perfect you are to me when I see you through my eyes. I don't think you could feel the love I have to give, and I'm sure you've never realized my will to live. Now honestly, without you I don't know where I'll be. Cause having you in my life fulfills a part of me. So never change yourself, cause I love you as you are. And in my darkest days, you my brightest star. Tears may dry and years may fly, but my love for you, girl, will never die. I wanna be your lover, be your best friend, and share what I have with you till the end. Cause our love is the perfect crime. I stole your heart and you stole mine.